Hi. So in this video, we're going to look at the standard normal distribution. And any normal distribution can be transformed to a standard normal distribution that we denote as Z. And we say that Z is distributed normally with a mean of 0 and a variance and standard deviation of 1. And to convert any normal distribution to the standard normal distribution, we use this transformation formula, where x is a value from the original distribution, mu is the original mean, and sigma is the original standard deviation. So the way this works, from this diagram, you can see we have three normal standard distribution. And by taking any point on the y distribution and subtracting its mean of negative 1.5, we move it 1.5 units to the right. So you can see now the mean will be located at 0. And then dividing by sigma, dividing by 0.4, we spread out this normal distribution, so the standard deviation becomes 1. And it's exactly the same if we look at this W distribution. We take away the mean, so we take 1.5 from every value. That moves it in line with the Z distribution. And then we divide by the 1.8, or we divide by sigma. And again, this gives the standard deviation to be 1. So you can see how this formula can map any normal distribution onto a standard normal. And the benefits of using the standard normal distribution are that because of symmetry, the probability that Z is less than or equal to a certain value is equal to the probability that Z is greater than or equal to the negative of that same value. So as an example, if we were to look at the probability of Z being less than or equal to 1, which is equal to 0.683, well, this will be exactly the same as the probability of Z being greater than or equal to negative 1, which you can see has the same area of 0.683. So this is one of the key benefits of using the standard normal distribution. Another benefit is the ease of using calculating tables such as this. The standard normal distribution tables allow us to quickly find the probability associated with any Z value. For instance, if we were to look at these two, the probability of being less than or equal to negative 0.2533, let's say it's about here, well, in this region, we'll have an area of 0.4, which is exactly the same if we looked at the other side of a curve. This region would have, again, the same probability of 0.4. So using the standard normal distribution simplifies the processes of calculating probabilities and making statistical inferences. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can calculate probabilities from the standard normal distribution.